work with Ali and Binish, तो ये वाकई ऑनर
This is
होता
what he
है?
usually does.
Does this happen कि he's poking you?
He is not just poking me, he is
Acha.
pushing me off the chair, he is
No
making
way.
my life miserable. But once again, I could not have enjoyed radio itta
Right.
if he was not there.
So
you know.
कभी-कभी have you guys had disagreements? कुछ लड़ाई झगड़े?
नहीं, disagreement छोटी मोटी तो होती रहती हैं.
But you know, there's a way of tackling the whole situation. अगर chemistry की बात करें तो कई दफा हमें लोग काफी दफा फोन करके पूछते हैं कि you know आपका जो शो है वो scripted है, because you know you guys are like fighting and bickering and all of that all the time.
Right.
So how do you guys you know think of it? नहीं होता. We're like this off air as well. अगर आप हमारे ऑफिस भी आए and if you see us, we're like this, you know. So it's very easy to bring it out radio के ऊपर.
एक तो होता है कि Venus knows कि जो भी मैं रेडियो पे कहता हूँ, it's not, I don't mean anything, you know. Like अभी हम लोग आ रहे थे तो कह रहे थे कि we'll probably be on by 3 o'clock, but we're not sure. It depends on how long it takes Venus to get her makeup done. But you know, like she says something, but we know that nothing is meant at heart.
Friendly.
It's all friendly. So I think when we talk to each other, it's like friends talking to each other.
Right,
तो जब कोई हमें सुनता है, they think कि दो दोस्त बात कर रहे हैं, not two co-hosts.
And that's the best thing.
Yeah.
If two friends are talking and having a nice time. Now tell me, Ali, one song that Binish hates, but you like, Dhoom Tana, okay? That's
Dhoom Tana, I used to like जब movie निकली थी, and I want to play it. Binish like, please stop playing
नहीं,
this song.
कि I didn't have anything against the song, but it was just you know the whole placing of the song was such कि हम पता नहीं किस level पे show कर रहे हैं, and he'd be like, and we
But
played
I will
Dhoom
tell
Tana for
you that Binish danced on my wedding in Dhoom Tana.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I was
that's
forceful.
sweet.
I was forceful.
She actually came up the steps also and everything, and then she said, okay, I did it with her, me,
Right.
another friend of ours, and me.
Yeah, that was
so
fun.
we kind of did this whole medley, and Dhoom Tana was in it, and we did the whole, with the acting of
Really?
Binish running in the corner and dance
Wow.
floor.
I
and,
think the next
you know,
question should be for me, not
Yes, the video was excellent, by the way. I loved
Yeah,
it.
it was
You know
good
how
fun.
they,
Fun to watch.
nobody has done that after that. I think.
Yeah.
उसके
The
बाद.
idea was very unique.
It was a good
Concept
idea.
अच्छा था उसका.
What about you, Binish? One song that
he-
you think Ali hates or likes?
Well,
Both. You can tell me both.
He's very easy with music. But यहाँ ये होता है, it's difficult to pick a song. But ये जरूर होता है कि कई दफा मैं कोई गाना pick करती हूँ and I'm like, you know, यार Ali, you know, we have to play this song and it's such a cool song and you know, and he has this really idiosyncratic way of saying this because he'd be like पूरा गाना सुन के Ali, was the song nice? Like अच्छा था गाना? Yeah. It was okay. Yeah. And you know, you're just like, you ruined it for me. You know? But
Really?
yeah,
Do
he's
that?
easy
Not all
with
the time.
music. He's easy with music.
I think it's just I'm not into heavy metal. I'm not into hard rock.
Yeah, he doesn't like too much.
Baki, I love my Bollywood.
You love
I love my
Bollywood.
Desi.
Okay.
I love English. I love dance music. We like pretty much everything.
Right.
in
And
that
which
respect.
singer do you both have agreed on कि इसका गाना हम नहीं चलाएंगे? कोई ऐसे
Justin.
singer है?
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
Okay.
Justin Bieber, Rebecca Black,
Oh, वो कौन सी? Whip my
Friday?
hair back and forth. Whip my hair.
Willow Smith.
Willow
Yeah.
Smith.
Oh
So
God.
basically, all the kids out there.
Well, you know, I have nothing against because I do realize that when Justin Bieber does play, I'm singing, baby,
Baby.
you know, kind of doing that. So it's like, stop doing that. You know,
I was
but,
when I was at 91 किसी आपके listener ने मुझसे पूछा था do you like Justin? तो आपके जो RJ शाकिर है बोला Justin Timberlake या Justin Bieber?
Yeah. Justin
So I
Bieber.
said Justin Timberlake.
But you know, all said and done, the kids come a very long way. I mean, he's a cheeky kid. You know, he's a cheeky kid, but
Right.
he's come a long way, and I guess we're getting okay with the idea of playing his music.
I think that's why we do a request show Mondays को. So then, or except I think the one request we don't play is Celine Dion. वो भी हमने थोड़ा सा चलाया था. My Heart Will Go On. And someone requested for Michael Bolton. Said I loved you, but I lied. And I said no. That's it. Put my foot down. I'm not playing that song.
But you know,
Alright.
apart from that, there are a lot of big promotions that also we you know we
Yeah.
do on the show. Like अभी पिछले हफ्ते ही एक बहुत बड़ी promotion हमारे show पे
बिल्कुल,
खत्म हुई
let's talk about that, हाँ.
है. Monday से Thursday तक. It was called Ittihad Travel Week.
अच्छा.
And उसपे हुआ ये था कि season 2 था इस साल. Season 1 was obviously last year. And thanks to Ittihad, they had given us 3 tickets to any destination in the world, provided if Ittihad flies
Wow.
there. So एक पूरी
Excellent.
campaign थी, competition
हफ्ते
थी,
की.
हमने डिजाइन की थी Monday to Thursday. और उसमें from across Pakistan anybody could call in, take part, and हम दे रहे थे 3 tickets to any destination. So like if you call and you say I want to go to New York, we'd send you
Wow.
there. You know,
That's
तो वो एक
excellent.
बहुत बड़ी campaign
खत्म
थी.
हो गया
खत्म
campaign.
खत्म हो
अभी
गया.
अब
Friday,
कब start होगा?
Thursday,
अब
next year.
कुछ ही
इंशाल्लाह
महीने
next
हो
year
गए.
आएगा.
Next year. Oh God.
But,
चलो
but,
ठीक
but
है.
91 keeps coming with
हाँ
different
बिल्कुल.
giveaways.
All right. Now you know what? Binish and Ali, I'm going to play for you a song, and I dedicate it to you.
Okay.
And I want to see your reaction after the song. Let's listen to it. Right, Ali and Binish.
Kill me, shoot me, kill me.
lots of people, बहुत सारी लड़कियों को पसंद है जस्टिन बीबर. शादी का डांस भी कर सकते हो आप.
I swear, I'm telling you.
हो सकता
Seriously,
है.
I just
माइकल जैक्सन पे लोग शादी डांस कर चुके हैं, बैकस्ट्रीट बॉयज पे कर चुके हैं.
बट अभी हम यही बात कर रहे थे
know.
कि हम अभी कुछ अर्से पहले आई वाज रीडिंग दिस मैगजीन और उसमें था 100 मोस्ट इन्फ्लुएंशियल पीपल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड टाइम्स में. यस, और उसमें जस्टिन बीबर वाज वन ऑफ देम. आई मीन एवरीथिंग सेड एंड डन द किड्स कम अलोंग विद.
He's in Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. हम लोग वहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचे. हम लोग वहाँ
I
नहीं
love to see
पहुँचे.
that. And his hair. Finally cut his hair.
Yeah, finally.
Yeah, that was
He used
like.
to do this flick.
But इसका like we think इसका एक Neon Trees का version है which I really like.
Neon
The
Trees.
song is good. I just don't like Justin Bieber.
Bieber.
I don't know.
What has he done to you, Ali?
Yeah, please ask him. I ask him the same thing every day.
जस्टिन बीबर ने आपको क्या बिगाड़ा है?
कुछ बिगाड़ा नहीं है. But I just feel like there's a time for everything. Sometimes maybe I'm being old-fashioned that way, and
Everything's just coming to him too quick.
no, I think you know, like the kind of maybe music he sings, songs, these things. Like I was not a big Selena Gomez fan. I'm not a big Miley Cyrus, Hannah Montana
What's
fan.
her name?
What's her name? You know, uska fan. But I don't think even Miley Cyrus is a good singer. I don't think she's a good singer. I think as an actress, fine, whatever. She's a vo.
I've never heard her songs.
But
Good, you're not missing out on much, honey.
Okay, we're going to take a call right now. Hello.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. क्या हाल है आपके?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. हाउ आर यू?
Good, good. And what's your name?
रुबाब.
Oops, sorry, मैं भूल गई. She's a regular caller.
Oh, she's a regular.
You know, जब callers भूल जाते हैं ना वो बिल्कुल
upset हो
नाराज
जाते
हो
हैं.
जाते हैं. बिल्कुल. So रुबाब, how are you?
आई एम गुड. बस थोड़ी सी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है.
क्यों, क्या हो गया आपको? बुखार?
या बस ऐसे ही हल्का फुल्का सा.
Yeah, the weather is really hot और फिर आप AC कमरे में
Yeah.
चले जाओ, so you fall
ठंडा
sick.
पानी पिए.
Yeah.
मैं रोज ठंडा ठंडा पानी पीती हूँ.
आप ठंडा पानी पिए, ठंडा नहाएं, आप फिर जाके एसी कमरे में बैठे,
Nonsense is that?
कुल्फी
कुल्फी
खाओ.
खाएं, आइसक्रीम खाएं. नो, माय डॉक्टर्स टेल मी जब बीमार होते हैं कि जाओ बेटा आइसक्रीम खाओ, फ्रूट खाओ.
Yeah.
सही जाओ.
ये जरूर करना रुबाब, ठीक है? और
Okay,
रुबाब,
मैं शुरू करूंगी.
आप कुछ कहना चाहोगी?
या मैं आरजे अली एंड आरजे बीनिस से कहना चाहूंगी कि मतलब दे आर रियली गुड. और बल्कि आरजेस को बल्कि मैं कहना चाहूंगी कि उनके अप्रिशिएट करना चाहूंगी क्योंकि मैं पहले रेडियो सुनती थी, फिर उसके बाद मेरा थोड़ा सा कम हो गया वो स्टडीज की वजह से और सहरी साहब की वजह से भी क्योंकि मैं आपका ज्यादा शौक से देखने लग गई.
That's good. In a way.
Good. ये अच्छी बात है.
या लेकिन मैं
चलो.
कहना चाहूंगी कि मैं पहले सुनती थी तो मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर करते थे आर्टिस्ट क्योंकि उनका मतलब इतना मतलब बोलना और उनका फिर वाकई में कन्विंस करना बहुत अच्छा और बहुत अच्छा लगता है. उनकी आवाज में एक ऐसा मतलब यू नो जादू टाइप होता है कि मतलब दिल से आता है अभी और सुनो तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
बिल्कुल. That's true.
Thank you so much. बहुत शुक्रिया.
यू आर
Thank you very
वेलकम.
much.
और आप लोग दिखते भी बहुत अच्छा हो.
अच्छा.
That's good.
एक्चुअली
Thank you.
Good looking RJs.
होते तो हमें पता नहीं होता, जब सुन रहे होते तो पता नहीं होता कि मतलब कैसे लगते होंगे और वाकई में हम लोग इमेजिन कर रहे होते हैं ऐसे वैसे मतलब
बिल्कुल.
कैसे होंगे ये लोग. लेकिन आप लोग दिखते भी बहुत अच्छा और आप लोग की आवाज भी बहुत अच्छी है.
बहुत
Thank you.
शुक्रिया. Thank you very much.
All
यू आर
right.
वेलकम.
Thank
इनफैक्ट
you.
ये हमें पहले
Thank you.
रेडियो पे भी कहते हैं ना कि why don't you people come on TV? Why don't you? I mean मैंने कहा था बीच तो आ सकती है. I mean I have a face for radio, but
No,
बीच
you
TV करती थी पहले.
both are extremely good looking individuals.
Okay, now self
इसके सामने
admiration
नहीं.
ये जो क्लब हमारा बना.
इसके सामने नहीं क्योंकि ये हमेशा मुझे पकड़ के तस्वीरें खिंचवाती है एंड देन जो उसकी अच्छी होती है वो सारी फेसबुक नजर आती है लाइक बीच क्रॉप.
No, all right. So we're going to take a break, and finally, after the break, if you want to become an RJ, what should you do? And if you want to apply to 91, what can you do? Okay, so we're going to take a break. We'll be right back.